Hey guys, this is Abhishek from gadgetsjuice.com, and today we are going to tell you about the Microsoft association with some other partners including Acer, ASUS, Dell, HP, Lenovo and Zolo and Panasonic as well. They have announced a partnership with these manufacturers, with these OEM for the tablets, the Windows 8 tablet. So here we have the Acer Iconia W4 Windows 8.1 tablet. It comes with Office Home and Student Edition. This is how the tablet looks like. As you can see, it looks pretty good in terms of the overall build quality, and the form factor of the tablet is also pretty good. It does have a micro SD card slot and a micro USB with volume rockers over there. At the back side you have a camera. The camera on this device, which is the rear camera, is a 5 megapixel camera, whereas the front is a 2 megapixel camera which we have on this device. On the top you can see an LED notification light with the power and sleep key. On the side, on the edges, you see these volume rockers and the micro USB port. And then we have a little indent to hold the tablet. On this side you have nothing. As far as the display is concerned, the display on this tablet is around 7 inch or a little bit more than that, and the build quality is good. You do have a Windows button and on the edges with which you can actually go to the desktop. So this tablet is right now running Windows 8.1. That means you can actually use this tablet like a PC. You can run all the applications which you can actually run on a Windows 8 PC on this tablet as well. This one comes powered with Intel Atom processor, and the overall form factor and the build quality is definitely nice. As you can see, it is a decent tablet which you can easily hold in one hand, and the touchscreen is also pretty responsive. Now taking a look over the specifications again, it is a Windows 8.1 tablet, and when we talk about the resolution is 1280 x 800. It has 2 GB of RAM, 64 GB of internal memory. As you can see, the back side of the tablet has a kind of a metallic finish. Although it is not metal, it is some good quality of plastic with metallic finish which we have on the back side of this tablet. In all, we would like to give a thumbs up to this tablet, and the Windows or Microsoft association for the Windows 8 tablets with Acer, ASUS, Lenovo and Zolo as well, and including Panasonic. Let's see how does this association goes further. That's all. Thanks for watching. Thank you.